Hi, Dr. Chamberlain. So you had asked the question of how the church has failed in acknowledgement of treatment for psychopathology, and how can that we encourage this area as Christians to seek professional counseling. I did some research, and it says that most of the patients are scared to put together psychiatry and religion, only because they're afraid that their psychiatrist will use their religion to make a diagnosis of a mental disorder on them, and they do not want that at all. Like, most people say that religion causes hallucinations and that they are just hallucinating, so they just give them a mental disorder. But despite that aspect, some of them really do enjoy going to counseling because they like to have, like, for instance, if you go to a Christian counselor, they like to use their religion as a coping mechanism, and that'll be able to help them throughout their treatment. I also had saw that in the article that silence hurts people by leaving them struggle in isolation alone. So therefore, the church's goal should influence conversations about mental illness in the church and equip us to be more skilled in caring for one another, because everybody needs somebody. And I'm assuming in this article that I read that some people avoid getting help and avoid medication, and some people use the mental health as a crutch for making important life choices in their life. I believe, since I do come from a church that has like a program called Celebrate Recovery, that it is a support group, and where you identify your struggles first, and then you say that you believe in Jesus, so that you know that Jesus can conquer it all, and how you express your feelings afterwards, especially after that is done. It's like a freeing thing because you spoke it into existence, right? And then you have people listening around you that care about you and really help identify with your struggles and walk alongside of you, so that way you don't have to do it alone. It is a great accountability purpose and a life-changing event, so where you can get over that. And I really believe that the church should also work on teaching the crowd to renew their mind, like it says in the Bible, is to keep renewing of their mind, keep reminding us of the promises, really help them understand that they do not have to stay in that mental state forever. That is what I learned from your question, and thank you. Have a great night.